class. In this video we are going to understand the topic test for divisibility of numbers. Again see test for divisibility of numbers. Hope every student have learned these things in their previous classes, but here in class 6 again it has been given because this test gives us quick idea which number can be divided by the other. Okay, so let's start with the number 2. Divisibility by 2. Now divisibility by 2, we will see what are the numbers which can divide by 2. So according to the rule divisibility test by 2, if unit place has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, listen very carefully. If unit place of a number has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, such numbers can be divisible by 2. For example, like this, I have written this number. See the unit place. Unit place is 0. If unit place is 0, this number is divisible by 2. Taking another number, you can see 6752. Check the unit place. This unit place is 2, so this number also divisible by 2. 366. See the unit place. This is 6, so unit place is 6. This number is also divisible by 2. This unit place has 8, so this number is also divisible by 2. Now, divisibility test by 3. Divisibility test by 3. What are the rules for divisibility test by 3? In this, sum of the numbers should be divisible by 3. Sum of the number should be divisible by 3. This is the rule. Sum of the number should be divisible by 3. Suppose that I will take a number. Okay, suppose that I have taken this number. First of all, we will add the numbers 3 plus 9 plus 5. After adding the number 3, 9, 12, 5, 17. Since 17 is not comes in the table of 3 or 17 is not completely divisible by 3, so we can say that this number 395 is not divisible by 3. Taking another number, suppose that I have taken this number 3513. Now I will check it whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. How? First of all, add all the numbers 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, after adding 5, 3, 8, 1, 9, 3, 12. So 12 can be divisible by 3. Okay, so we can say that this whole number is divisible by 3. Come to the next number. Divisibility by 4. What are the rules for 4? in hundreds place, in tens place and unit place. Remember, only two places. If a number have tens place and unit place is divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. Example, suppose that I have taken this number. Check these two numbers, tens place and ones place. Tens place and ones place. 32 can be divided by 4. So whole number can be divided by 4. One more example. Okay. Now we have to observe the digit tens place and unit place. Tens place and unit place. 81. Since 81 is not completely divisible by 4, I mean to say that 4 cannot divide 81. Okay, so whole number cannot be divided by 4. So we can say that 3681 is not divisible by 4. Divisibility test by 5. Divisibility by 5. Now for the divisibility test by 5, the rule is very simple. If unit one's place is 0 or 5, if unit place is 0 or 5, then the whole number will be divisible by 0, 5. So let's take example. I have a number 390. Check the unit place only. This unit place is 0, so this number can be divisible by 5. Taking another number, this unit place is 5, so this number is also divisible by 5. In this number 769, unit place is 9, so we can say that this number is not divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. Divisibility by 6. It means we are going to understand which number can be divisible by 6. So in this divisibility rules, we apply two rules. One is for 2 and another is for 3 rules. Rule 3, rule 2 and rule 3. Okay, how? Now I will take some number. Okay, I have taken this number. Observe the number and apply the divisibility test rule. For 2, unit place is 2, so this whole number is divisible by 2. Now applying the rule divisibility by 3, adding the number 9 6 15 plus 5 20 plus 2 22, and you can see this number is not divisible by 3, so whole number 6952 is not divisible by 6. I will take some other example. So I have taken this number. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. First I will check the divisibility by 2. See the unit place, this is 6, so this number is divisible by 2. Now applying the rule of 3. So 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6. Adding the number 415 to 7 0 7 to 9 and 6 15, and 15 is divisible by 3. So we can say this number is divisible by both, by rule 2 and by rule 3. So whole number is divisible by 6. Answer will be yes. Coming to the divisibility rule by 8. Divisibility by 8. Rules are very simple. If 100 place, tens place and unit place, all these three places the number is formed and divisible by 8, the whole number will be divisible by 8. Example, okay, I have taken any number. Now this is 100 place, tens place and unit place. 108, this number has been formed. Now divide it by 8. Divide the whole number by 8. 8 1 ja 8, remainder 2 and 8. 8 3 ja 24, but this number is not completely divisible by 8. So the whole number 487108 is not divisible by 8. I will take another number. I have taken another number, and we have to observe 3 digits, hundreds place, tens place and ones place, and form the number is 832. Now we have to divide it by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. You can see that 832 can be divisible by 8. So whole number 4832 is also divisible by 8. This is the general rule. Test divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. The sum of number should be divisible by 9. This is the general rule. For example, I have writing some number. Okay, I have written some number. Now we will check it whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. Adding the number 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. 3 1 4, 3 7 2 9. So 9 is divisible, so we can say that this number is divisible by 9. Now divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. The rule is for divisibility by 10 that unit place should have 0. It means if unit place of the number is 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. For example, in this number 4130 unit place is 0, so this number is divisible by 10. Another example, see the unit place is 1, so this number is not divisible by 10. See the unit place is not 0, so this number is not divisible by 10. See the unit place is 0, so this number is divisible by 10. So we have understood also the rule of 10. Now test divisibility. Divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. In this way, in this number, what we do, suppose that I take some numbers. I have taken some numbers. The rule is that first add odd places of the numbers. Okay, so like this way, 2, 4 and 4. 2 plus 4 plus 4. 4, 4, 8 and 2 is equal to 10, and the remaining places 3 and 3. 3 and 3. It is 6. And the rule is that find the difference of 10 and 6. The difference is 4. Actually, the rule is that if we find the difference 0, 11, 22, 32, 33 or multiples of 11, then the whole number will be divisible by 11. But in case we can see that this number is not the difference of 0, so the whole number, this whole number is not divisible by 11. Okay, taking some another number. I have taken another number. Now adding the number of odd places, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Taking the places of even, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, and the sum are 13 and 13. Now find the difference. 13 minus 13 gives 0. If our difference is 0 or multiples of the numbers, multiples of 11, like 11, 22, 33, 44, etc., the whole number will be divisible by 11. So our answer for this number 8459 is yes. Thank you. Have a nice day.